innovations and intellectual capital. Nowadays, our society has numerous questions about innovations and its components. What is innovation? How can we create innovative products? How much it costs to innovate? The several answers for these questions are likely to be given in the upcoming part of this course. Firstly, innovation is an uncertain concept. For a majority, innovation is about new technology, on bringing new items to the market. Some might think of other process. Generally, it is a process of converting an idea or invention into a good or service that creates an added value of the product. Secondly, innovation is about being different in a way customs adore. Innovation has something to do with being positively different from your competitors. Innovation is when you see your telephone not as a device, but as an access gate to a whole new world. Innovation is an extension of an invention. Thirdly, innovation is not the entity with unchangeable parameters. It cannot be introduced as technical fix. Innovation is synonymous with risk-taking, and industrial and business entities which create revolutionary products and technologies take the greatest risks because they create new products. The innovation process would be impossible without innovation, information and communication technology, ICT. It is a unique tool for developing the creation of innovations in the organizations. The main characteristics of ICT are also presented in the next part of this course. Another important theme which connected with innovations is intellectual capital. What is intellectual capital? Why do businesses think intellectual capital is important nowadays? How is it developed? There is a great number of questions. In this millennium, less people will do physical work, and more people will do intellectual work. It's connected to the presence of intellectual capital. It doesn't appear on any company balance sheet, but it has more value for organizations than physical assets. Economic value is driven more by knowledge and information than the production process. Managing knowledge and intellectual capital create new source of competitive advantages. The value of firms can increase or decrease depending on how well they create, capture, and leverage their knowledge and intellectual capital. The whole structure and some main components of intellectual capital will be presented further, and so will the aspects of intellectual property of the modern information society. The understanding of the process of innovation creation and the principles of intellectual capital existence will give a clue for the interpretation and formation of the macro knowledge-based economy.